You're utterly confused. I have no milk to give.
You thought I was a French bulldog, oui?
Yeah, trains are fast, boys, but they named a bus after me! Oh, come on, Trash. I'm sorry. I made a mistake.
Carl, you know I'm sensitive about my nose.
No, I can fix it. Just looks like the canine converter's out. I'm just gonna pop down here a minute. I'll be right back here. I told them damn puppies to put the hose up. Oh, it's a heart attack. I'm having a heart attack. Hey, Evan, what are you doing in here? Oh, you taking a nap? Okay.
My name is Cotton and I'm trotting to a yacht I bought in Scotland, oh yeah.
Yeah, coyotes are so stupid.
Those are your ancestors, Philip.
No need to scoop. The wind will get it. Oh, I'm all bark and no bite, huh? Well, how about I just bite your bark then?